People is pleased to present 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, as it continues to lead the way in advocacy for the creation and dissemination of technology that enables financial inclusivity. The 40 Days 40 Fintechs is shining a spotlight on those that are breaking down digital barriers and bringing millions more on the continent into the transactional space and transforming their lives for the better.
My name is Innocent Orichiriza, founder at Kasaiba Security Technologies. Kasaiba is a digital transport and logistics company that is building digital ticketing and payment systems for public transport that serves buses, trains, and ferries in Uganda. Our platform is mainly a digital solution that assists transport operators to make sales and their customers to book tickets online. The platform consists of a point-of-sale machine on the operator side and consists of a website and mobile app for the passenger side. Our product enables anyone to book tickets online, including the youth, and we have a strong focus on assisting women who need assistance in booking their travel tickets, as well as the disabled people who need assistance in booking their journeys. Public transport is one of those sectors that were heavily impacted by the lockdowns. Kasaiba, as one of the service providers, has been looking into new avenues of keeping relevant by building new revenue streams. For example, during the second lockdown especially, we figured out that we could leverage our solutions to provide delivery services for people who have not been able to move from one place to another, including businesses and individuals. In Uganda, women constitute 52.8% of the labor workforce. At Kasaiba, we have set our women involvement strategies clear. We employ 70% of women in our workforce. For example, the current situation in our employee is that the financial officer, the legal officer, the business development head officer, the M&E, all these positions are currently occupied by women. We believe our company is at the center of involving women in key decision making and in project implementation. And moreover, we tend to maintain this and support women in different avenues through other partnership projects with our companies, our partnering companies. In regards to our implementation of the Level 1 principles of financial service implementation, we have partnership with major digital payment processing companies that highly comply with bank grade standards, and we believe that the processes, for example, of cancellation and refund, if it's a digital payment, are well handled by our partners. However, the sector we are dealing with is an informal sector. In some situations, you find the refund has to be done offline, because that's how the nature of the service operates. The major challenge in our sector is the informality of the sector or the industry at large. We find it very hard to introduce our solutions to the stakeholders in transport. It has been hard at all levels, even where we interact with the decision makers or even where we interact with the end users. So we believe we have to do more, working within the government policies. We also believe this will change with time, because right now, Uganda's promotion of digital solutions is really at the center of government efforts. The fintech industry is growing globally, and here in Uganda, we have 16.5 million users who are still unbanked. So we think there is a big gap which can be filled by the fintech solutions that are developed locally. We also believe partnerships are very key to break the barriers to enter into this market. The 40 Days 40 Fintechs project will empower startups like Kasaiba to gain cheap access to local market as well as international market. My name is Innocent Orichiriza, founder and CEO at Kasaiba Technologies. Our website is www.kasaiba.com. To make it easy, maybe It's just right here.
40 Days 40 Fintechs is presented in proud partnership with Crosslake Technologies, Modus Box, Modular Foundation, and Level 1 Projects.